Hello everybody, Roddy is here. Oh man, I got a rough morning. It's Sunday morning, wife runs into the room. That piece of shit won't start. I'm gonna be late for work. Oh, there's no husband ever wanna wake up to something like that. So simple guys, it's basically Vegas hit it like 105, 110 degrees. And when this happens, it's simple. If your battery is good, it's like a test. If your battery is good, if your tires are good, if your tires are no good, they will pop when it's 110. If your battery is no good, it will freaking die on you, okay? That's all it is, man. And she's right away, she's like, that piece of shit car. And I'm like, whoa. This is gorgeous Toyota RAV4, guys. I'm like, don't even say that. All it needs probably just pop it in some brand new battery and it's gonna be like a brand new baby, man. Right away, piece of shit, guys. Women are just amazing, man. So it's so nice to have a old car in the garage. I pull up the Volvo, jumper cables, bada bing bada boom, jumped it, start right away. And what's so weird, when the battery is dead on this, you cannot even get in. Only way you can get in, it's pull the little key out of the plug and basically open the car. That's the only way you can do this, guys. And then, you know, whatever is done after that, man. But yeah, this car won't even, it was dead. It was yeah, I'm sure this battery is no good, guys. Even looking all nice and shiny, still brand new, it's no good. So thank you, Volvo. Thank you, you did a good job. We just powered up, start up. I'm gonna put the Volvo back to the garage and we're gonna drive to AutoZone, replace the battery, and that's it. It's not a piece of shit car, man. Oh, by the way, let's check it out. It's a beautiful, I mean, she's very lucky to drive such a beautiful car like this. Check it out, nice, beautiful RAV4. Gorgeous, man. It's a beautiful, gorgeous car. Excellent, 69,000 miles on it. This baby should easy go for $250,000 on the same engine, on the same transmission. And it's not a piece of shit because it won't start. So I just want to share this with you guys, what kind of Sunday rough morning I got it today, man. Woo. But yeah, I'm gonna put the Volvo back, drive to AutoZone, and get a brand new battery for her, and probably problem is going to be solved, guys. Just like that, problem is going to be
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. Still, you're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life.
So here we are, our neighborhood AutoZone. Thank God for America and AutoZone, guys. Problem will be fixed very soon. There's only one thing I want to show you. It kind of aggravates me. It took me like 5 trips actually back and forth to the car, you know, which kind of like annoys me. But trust me, so far Toyotas, I have nothing but the love, man. I just completed a 2,700 miles trip with my son on his Toyota Corolla. I have nothing but love for Toyota, man. There was no problem, and the car had 100,000 miles on it. It was just battery, like nothing. But I want to show you a little something which kind of like don't like it already. I might probably want to switch to the phone. The phone will show me a little better. Basically just a little stupid thing, guys. To be able to remove this battery, you have to have a 2 different size of keys. Why this one is small and this one is big? Why can't you just do it with one freaking key, man? Why can't you do it with one? Why did they have to put this small one over here? Not a big deal. I dig in the garage, I found it, it's gonna be done. but it kind of aggravates me that if you're stuck somewhere and you will try to quick change battery, you know, you better have some, you know, tools on you, that's for sure. After disconnecting the battery, everything nice and smooth, I brought the tools. There's one more screw right here, guys. They got the little piece of bracket holding the battery to the car, which is fantastic feature, but it sucks. Like that, battery removed. It was this little bracket, guys. This little bracket has Toyota to holding the battery with the one screw. The one screw. So if you were stuck somewhere, out of luck. Battery ready to change. Brand new battery, put it in. Brand new battery is installed. Okay, just like that, the battery, brand new battery installed. Beautiful. 4-year warranty. You know, Durablas Gold. Fixed. Problem fixed. Just like that. No panic. No panic. And just like that, from piece of shit car, like my wife called it, brand spanking new car. That's battery. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen, especially in Vegas when it's. By the way, shout out to my son, old school. I used to bring him to the school right here. The Falcons. Shout out to my son's old school. And just like that, fixed. Battery looking good. Car looking beautiful. Fantastic. Now I have to go to work, so it's nothing more beautiful than waking up before work like that, but hey, needs to be done. So I will talk to you guys next video. Ready out.